Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking essentials to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to change your Union Bank debit card PIN in 2025. With the latest updates in banking security, managing your PIN has become more straightforward and secure than ever. Whether you're updating for safety or just forgot your old one, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure you have the Union Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store and download it. It's free and essential for 2025's digital banking features. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your username and password. For added security, the app might prompt you for biometric verification like a fingerprint or facial recognition, which is a new standard in 2025. After logging in, navigate to the Cards or Account Services section. Look for an option that says Manage Debit Card or Change PIN. Tap on that, and you'll be asked to verify your identity again, maybe through a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. This extra step keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. Now, enter your current PIN when prompted. Then, create a new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Remember, make it strong but easy for you to recall, like combining numbers from important dates. You'll have to confirm it by re-entering it. The app will process this quickly, and once it's done, you'll get a confirmation message on your screen and possibly via email or SMS. One quick tip. Always change your PIN in a secure environment, like at home, and avoid public Wi-Fi. If you run into any issues, Union Bank's 24/7 customer support is just a call away. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Union Bank debit card PIN for 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking hacks. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.